Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Anne's Beauty Vlog. Firstly, a big thank you for all of y'all who've been texting me on Instagram asking why wasn't there a video last week on my YouTube channel. Guys, I'm really sorry, it was very gloomy and I was super lazy to get up and even shoot a video, so I'm really sorry about that. So yeah, so when this week video is gonna be about the face shop working kit for women. I've got a lot of text from people asking me to do this review about this product when I posted this picture on Instagram. So I thought, why not, let me just go ahead and do a review about this. So firstly, let me just show you all the kit. This is how it looks. I just love the way the packaging and all the products inside this. So I'm gonna go ahead and give a review about these products, use these products on me, and tell you all how these products work and how also to use these products, and which products actually work well and which products actually did not go so well and did not work that good on my skin. And one more thing is that, guys, if you all buy these products separately, it's gonna cost you all a bomb. But since all of them are in a kit, it's really costing you all very less. You'll get this for 1599. It was out of stock, but now it is back in stock, and it is also on Amazon as well. I will make sure that I will leave the links to buy these products in the description. Go ahead and check that out. So I'm quickly gonna go ahead and show how these products work and what are all the products in this bag as well. Firstly, the pouch. I really need to appreciate the pouch. The quality is really good. I just love the quality of the pouch. So let me quickly open this. So the first product we have is my favorite. I have 6 tubes of this already. This is like the 7th one which I have with me right now. It's the Rise Water Bright Foaming Cleanser, one of the best. And we also have the Rice Water Bright Cleansing Oil, so double cleanse. These work really very well on skin, so you all really gotta give these products a try. And next I have is the green tea face mask. We get 2 green tea face masks, and we get a watery tint. The next one we have is a hand cream. I am a fan of hand cream, so the hand cream which I got is a green tea. We either get a rose water hand cream or a green tea hand cream. I love green tea hand cream because I don't know, I just love this. It has a watery feel and it feels really good on hands. So this is my favorite. And then also we have the hand cream pouch. It says "You go girl." So you just need to take that pouch and put in your hand cream right here, and just put this in. And if you all have a handbag, you all can just attach it to the handbag and then just squeeze and start using it. This is really good. And then we have the Yehwadam range from Face Shop. I'm quickly gonna open this and show you all the products in this. And next we have the foot peeling mask from Face Shop. This works so well, guys. If you all have dry skin on your foot, I mean, this really works wonders. I'm definitely gonna go ahead in the future and do a review about this product as well. So these are all the products that's in this pouch. And the pouch, like I said, I'm a fan of their pouches. I have a lot of kits. I have the travel kits and all the kits from Face Shop. The only thing which I love the best is their pouches. They are super good quality and you can use them afterwards as well. So these are the products. So now I'm gonna go ahead, open the Yehwadam range. I'm gonna show you all what are the products inside. So guys, these are the products which we get in the Yehwadam range. Like we have a toner, an emulsion, a serum, and a moisturizer. They are like super cute tiny products. And these products are really costly. I really wanted to buy these products when I saw a lot of makeup influencers shooting about this and how these products work, but these are really on a pricey, they're very pricey. So I couldn't at all get that. I thought I can never get my hands on these products, but as soon as I saw these products in this kit, this was the only reason why I bought this kit. I just love these products. So these products are useful for the people who are in their early 20s. So if it's just not exactly for anti-aging, so it prevents anti-aging. So if you're like in your early 20s, So what you all can do is it prevents wrinkles, as in in the future, like if you're in the late 30s or mid of 30s and all that, that is when the wrinkles come and start showing up on your face. So what we are doing is, with these products, it prevents wrinkles to come. So this is just like a precaution that we take over our skin. So if you all are in your early 20s, go ahead and grab this. These work really well, guys. And also one more thing, guys, just before I proceed further, I wanted to tell you all that do not forget sunscreen. Sunscreen is like a must, because if you all do not have sunscreen, that is when it will not be show, that anti-aging and all of that dark spots on your face, it will not be showing up right now. But once y'all are in your mid 30s or early 30s, that is when these dark spots and all start coming up on your face. So make sure that you'll use a sunscreen for sure to prevent all of that. And also these products, I will show you all how to use these products as well, and how you all can prevent wrinkles and also dark spots and anti-aging and all of that. These products are really affordable. These are the samples. You all can just use this. I guess if you're like use it every day, I guess you all might be getting this for like easily for 2 weeks, and regularly you all can get it for 2 weeks, and you all can then go ahead and grab on these products and see how beautifully these products work. So keep watching the video to see how these products also work on my skin, and how to use these products, and how to prevent anti-aging and wrinkles and all of that as well. So guys, you all can see that I already have makeup applied on my face right now. So I'm quickly gonna go ahead and take the Face Shop Rice Water Cleansing Oil, and then take a cotton pad and apply some generous amount of oil over the cotton pad, and then just slightly press it on my face, not too much pressure, but very lightly press it over my face, and then remove the makeup. You all can see that now. I am gonna press this lightly over my face and just rub it, and you all can see that almost the makeup is out. Even if you all have any waterproof makeup, that's gonna come out as well. This works really really well, guys. I have so many bottles of it. You all really need to give this a try. This works really well over the skin. I finished removing my makeup now. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. I'm gonna take a little bit over my hand. It has a very good texture, guys. I'm gonna take it and then start applying it over my face now. I'm gonna go ahead and start applying this face wash, and very gently over the skin and rubbing it in circular motions. It leaves your skin very moisturized. I finished washing my face now, and like other face washes, this does not leave your face very dry. It leaves it very moisturized. And after this is done, I'm gonna use the Face Shop Watery Tint. I'm really looking forward to use this one. So what I'm gonna do is just add a few drops of it over my cheek, and then dab it into my skin using my fingers there, and you all can see that it's hardly visible, and it just disappears just like that. You can hardly make it out. It's a very light shade. So what I'll do is I'll take a few more drops of it and then apply it over the same area, and then try dabbing it over my cheek again. And now you all can see that the blush is actually visible on my cheek right now. You all need 2 layers of it, so that you all can clearly see it. One layer of it actually does not work so well, and it also leaves this stain on your fingers as well. So it's better that you'll use a beauty blender. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use it as a lip tint now. So it does not taste that good. It has a weird flavor, but and I do not use it for daily use as well, but this is how it turns out. So now we're gonna go ahead and use the Yehwadam range from the Face Shop that prevents the signs of premature aging. So firstly, this product consists of a toner, an emulsion, a serum, and a moisturizer, and this is how these products look. So guys, I've gone ahead and I've applied the green tea face mask from the face shop and waited for 20 minutes. After that's done, now I'm gonna go ahead and use the Yehwadam toner, and now I'm gonna take a cotton pad, add a few drops of it onto the cotton pad and gently rub it all over my skin right now. I finished applying the toner. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the serum. I'm gonna take a little bit of serum over my finger and then start dabbing it onto my face and then slowly massaging it. And if you'll notice, I'm just trying to pull the skin upwards and not downwards. It helps us in preventing from having saggy skin. So try massaging it onto your skin upwards instead of pulling it downwards. After I finish applying the serum, I'm gonna go ahead and use the emulsion. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit over my hand. So this right now, this emulsion is not a lightweighted formula. It is a little thick. It feels heavy over the skin right now. So this is what happens about skincare. So we start from light weighted formulas to the heavy products which weigh heavy on our skin. So now I'm gonna take a little bit over my hand and then just dab it onto my face. I'm not gonna massage it. I'm gonna dab it so that my skin absorbs this emulsion. Instead of just massaging it, I'm just gonna dab it. Alright, once I've finished applying the emulsion, now I'm gonna go ahead and use the moisturizer. So before this step, if y'all want to use any under eye cream, y'all can use the under eye cream. So after we finish applying the under eye cream, then we are gonna go ahead and apply the moisturizer over our face. So this moisturizer, once you'll apply this, y'all might feel your skin will feel really heavy, but that's all right. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna dab it into our skin first and later we will massage it. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and dab it. After I finish dabbing it, now I'm gonna massage it. Like I said, we are gonna pull our skin upwards instead of pulling our skin downwards just to prevent it from getting saggy. So once we are finished doing this and sleep with this overnight guys, and once you'll wake up in the morning, you all can see your skin very bright. So guys, this was the review of the Face Shop Working Woman Kit. So all of these products, like I've already mentioned, if you all are buying these products separately, they're gonna cost you a bomb. But since you all are buying all of them in a kit, it's gonna cost you 1599. That's the product price. So go ahead and buy these products. I'm gonna leave the links to buy these products in the description. Make sure that you all check these products out, and like I've already mentioned, the Yehwadam range guys, if you all haven't used this range, like I said, it's on the costlier side. Make sure that you all use this range. These are not like the tiniest of the tiniest bottles. These are not like the super small samples. They are a little huge as well. You all can use it like for 2 weeks, like I already said, 2 weeks straight, and you all can see how beautifully your skin reacts to this. Especially use it overnight, and once you all wake up in the morning. I've been doing this like since past 5 days, and my skin actually glows without makeup, and it's really amazing guys. Make sure that you'll give it a try. And like I said, the early 20s, make sure that you'll grab these products on, just to prevent that anti-aging and wrinkles and dark spots and all of that. This is really helpful. So, and also guys, if anyone's birthdays, anniversaries, and also there is Raksha Bandhan coming up there, so all the brothers who are watching, make sure that you all buy these kits and give it to your sisters out there. They're gonna love you all for this. And also, if you all are deciding if anyone's birthdays are coming up and what to give, you all can go ahead and grab this product and give. I mean, they're gonna love you all for this product which you all gave. So go ahead, check these products out guys. And yeah, if you all like this video, make sure that you'll give it a thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe. And also, if you all need any more reviews about any other products, make sure that you'll leave it in the comment section below so that I can go ahead, check that out and do a review about the products which you all like. And make sure that you'll follow me on Instagram and also follow me on Snapchat as well. On Instagram I'll be doing products review as well, few products review and everyday makeup and all of that. To go ahead, check that out. Please make sure that you'll follow me on Instagram, and also I've started something on Facebook, so go ahead and like my page on Facebook as well. I'm just starting to learn that Facebook page. I am not so much aware about it, so go ahead and check that page out as well. And yes guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you all next week. Bye bye.